serious?
Oh, I won't let you go.
Let me put it in a language you can understand.
Why are you gay? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
It's only gay.
Is your birthday October, November, or December?
Recurring segment on our show called Explain That Gram, where we do a deep dive on our guest's Instagram, pull interesting
Pick the wrong house, fool!
Hey, Big Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill!
This is how I enter my house. What's up, fuckers?
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Oh my god! Wow!
Nani?
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
That's a lot of damage. How about a little more?
Got him! Got him!
Psych! That's the wrong number!
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Ya, vete a la mente para ahí.